ideas turn into a confetti snowstorm, the Shark AI robot is there for you. Using AI laser navigation, it picks up that mess row by row while avoiding your homemade volcano. And when the dog tracks in a dirty mess, use Ultra Clean mode to target and deep clean specific areas. Nice. Doesn't clean feel good? Well, good thing your robot's ready to go.
Not only does this one have a robot, you can also use your phone, also an app, so that you can download it on your phone and you can turn it on and off wherever you are. Okay, so here is the Vacuum robot vacuum cleaner. It is plugged in here in my dining room. Instructions say wait 1 minute to like 12 minutes for it to connect. So if you do have trouble with it connecting, it's in the instructions. Just give it some time and it will connect. But first I'm gonna try to use the remote. I thought this was really neat. Let's try it out. Oh, I pushed auto. It's backing up. So let's see if we can use the remote to send it home. And I'm assuming you hit the home button. Okay. That's neat. Let's see. It's almost like it's looking for the home base, which is over there. Oh, there it goes. Is it going home? There's that cord in the way. Awesome. Okay, so it went home. So this is what the bottom looks like after doing the entire dining room. As you can see, we have got some hairballs right here along the little duster spinny thing to clean out this, they call it a dust box. The dust box, it is pretty full. You can see all of the debris inside. Most of it is dog hair. I did notice that there's a little lever right here that you can pull to open it up to make emptying it a little easier. So this is not only the dust box, it is also where you would fill up the water. So this is the water tank. Water in the water tank. Back together. Then this is the mop head I showed you earlier. It will connect to the bottom with these little pegs in here until it clicks. Okay. There it went. It's done. This is what the bottom looks like. Here's a closer look at the pad. Definitely picked up some extra things off of the floor. I think it's a really good option if you're wanting both. I think that it is really cool that it has the remote control. Again, it has the app. You can turn it on from wherever you are. You could be traveling. If you are looking for a good vacuum though, for the money, the vacuum and the mop robot, again, this is basically like getting 2 products for 1 price. I will say that it did a really good job at cleaning my floor.
Alexa, turn on the robot.